put my trousers up.
Oh, you're filming. Hi, everybody. And thank you for tuning in today. We have got a very special video, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. Just bear with me a second. Right, let's see who's here with us. Now, we have a very special celebrity guest today with us today, and we have the wonderful Franny. And Franny is here to tell everyone who's won.
Yes, and
Jessie's not very well, is she? Jessie's got poorly cold, doesn't she? So Jess is downstairs watching telly, and she's not feeling. Hi, Amanda. Say hi to Amanda.
Hi, Amanda.
We have got 3 giveaways to give away. Then let's have a look at what's in your hand. So many goodies and prizes up for grabs today, isn't there? Yes, so we're going to tell everybody. Hi, Lynn. Hi. So Lynn's here as well. So no crafting today, but we are going to be a bit like Santa Claus, aren't we? What does Santa Claus do?
He brings presents.
Yes. So we're like Santa Claus, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, we're not Santa Claus.
Oh. Hi, Tracy.
But we are like Santa Claus.
We're a little bit like Santa Claus, aren't we? Because look in your hands. What are those? The presents. Well, they're giveaways, aren't they? So, yes. Right. Okay. So I am going to hold the phone, and what I have done is in my little pot here, I have put that's for the customer giveaway. That's for the customer challenge, everyone's names. And that is the team challenge. So we mustn't get them muddled up. They're all in little pots. Oh, and Franny's singing. So I have just lost my... Oh, who else? Moira's here as well. Oh, Moira says hello, and hello to sweet Franny. Right, so we are going to get on with it, and we're going to give away some of these gifts. So if you want to put them down on the floor for a minute, because Nanny's got to hold the phone, you see.
We are like Santa Claus.
Right, pick up the one in the middle, that one there, that's it. Hold that up. That's it, hold that, this one there. Let's move these 2 out the way for a second. So this is the team challenge. Okay, so we have a little peek, see what's in it. While we're waiting for everyone. Hi, Janet. Well, can you show everybody what's in there? Oh, you're not going to get it out and show everybody?
Oh, yeah. I would. I thought you said...
So we have some stickers.
Yep.
Okay.
And some hearts.
Oh, some hearts. This is for the team challenge.
Yeah.
So this is the challenge that's been put on the group. Oh, what are they? They are pretty stickers. Oh, some ribbon. What else do we have?
Yeah.
Oh, that's some glass window sheets. Like, what's it called? Graceful glass. Oh, and, oh, no, there's an embossing folder called Stylish Scrolls, and some more doilies. So that is for the team challenge. Pop it all back in the bag again quickly, and then we shall pull out a winner. A winner, chicken dinner.
Chicken dinner?
Yes, chicken dinner. Right, okay.
Chicken dinner.
Right, give me that then. So this is the team challenge.
Team challenge.
Right, and I'm going to pull this cup here. This one here. No. Right, I want you to put your hand in and give it a swizz round and pull one out. Just get one. That's it. Hand it to Nanny. Can we open it? Open it first. Open. Who is going to win? Let's have a look. Whose name is on there? This is for the team challenge.
Ooh.
Let's have a look. Hold it up so Nanny can read it. Oh. Who has won? We can't see. Oh, turn it round. Moira! Yay, Moira. Happy dance, Moira. Moira won. Oh, she's doing a happy dance for you. There you go. Pop that back in there then. Well done, Moira.
Well done, Moira.
Right, come on then. Let's give... Right. Give me that back. No more. Give me that one back. Then no. Put that. Right. Give me this cup. Give me the cup. Right. Let's put this out of the way. We're gonna do the the customer challenge now, which is that one. No, Fran, calm down. Show everyone what's in that bag because this is for the customer challenge. Oh, stickers.
The same stickers.
Moira, you lucky girl, got loads of goodies. A big yay for Moira.
Yay,
Oh,
Moira.
ribbon and hearts.
Green.
So this is for the customer challenge. So my customers who also took part in the challenge. Some more stickers.
More stickers.
Oh, what is that? Doilies.
Toilet.
Doilies, not toilies. And, oh, some gorgeous poppy sequins. Right, pop them all back in the bag then and we shall find out.
I'm tired.
Well, hurry up then and then you can go and have a lay down.
No, I don't.
You don't want to lay down.
I want to do this challenge.
Come on then. Right, we're going to pick a winner out of our customers this time. So hold on to the cup. Give me that. That's it. Right. Okay, sorry if I'm making you dizzy, everyone. Put your hand in, give it a wiggle around.
Wiggle.
And these are the customers who took part by posting some of their projects
And
this
I
month.
have a ski.
Oh, you have a swan.
Swan on
That's a
me.
beautiful swan, isn't it? Come on, stop keeping everyone in suspense. Who's won?
Ooh, let me get. Ooh, is
Oh,
that
have you
the
got
open
one? Right, grab it then. We've got one.
Let's
Who has won? Let's have a look. Shut up to camera. Oh, I can't see. It is Ginny. Ginny has won the customer challenge. Ginny. Right, so calm down because you're making everyone very, very dizzy. Looks like you're a washing machine doing the washing. So well done, Ginny, my lovely. You have won. That is so good. Right, now we have the last one, which is that bag there on the floor. This is my customer giveaway, thank you giveaway. What's in the bag. Now, we're not going to get everything out of there because there are too many things. So we're just going to pull a name out and all the customers' names are in there. So you're going to have to go right in and dig around on this one.
right in and dig around.
Come on then. Don't keep up just one. Pull out one. Have you got one? Yes, you do. So who has won the customer giveaway? Can you show me?
Ooh.
Christine. That's Christine Fletcher. Well done, Christine. You lucky girl. All of those prizes are going to be on their way to you. So well done to Moira, Ginny and Christine. And thank you to everyone. Start, calm down. Thank you to everyone that has took part.
Yes.
And we loved all your projects and everything. And thank you for my customers. And we will be doing more giveaways this month. We also have the Stamp Club video that's going to be going up in the next few days. But I will give you lots of notice. What's today? Tuesday. So it'll probably be Friday. Okay. So well done, everybody. Thank you all for... Oh, Franny. You are full of beans today, aren't you?
Full of beans.
You're full of beans. We need to shake those beans out, don't we? Shake them out. Right, we're going to go now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And did that make you dizzy?
No.
Oh, you're acting a bit strange today. Calm it down. Right, you're acting very crazy. We're not going to do crazy. Say sorry. Oh, and Karen said that she is loving my glamorous assistant. She's saying that you're very glamorous. What do you say to that?
I don't know.
Do you know what glamorous means?
No.
That you look very beautiful.
Thanks.
You look very stunning and beautiful, like a princess.
Thank you.
Don't you? Right. Okay, my lovelies. I will see you all very soon. It says, oh, Lynn says that you are the Swan Princess. Aren't you? Oh, the Swan Princess. Doesn't she do a little bit of ballet?
Yeah.
You can do ballet, can't you? Oh, shall we show everyone your ballet? Look at all that space you've got. Go over there and do a little bit of ballet. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is just... Oh, that definitely looks like the Swan Princess. That is just beautiful. Well done. Take a bow. Take a bow. Say thank you, everybody, for watching. And we will see you all very, very soon. So from me and from Franny, take care, everyone. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Go, everyone, kisses. Bye.